Welcome children. Today I will tell you about the repeat command. It is a new command for you. First I will explain you that everybody till now knows how we can make a scare. For that we use the command fd space 100 rt space 90 fd space 100 and so on until we get a scare. As its all sides are equal, so we are repeating the same steps again and again. So instead of giving so many commands, we can make the scare by using the repeat command. To make a scare using the repeat command, we will write like this: repeat space repeat space 4 bracket what I want to repeat. So I will write fd space 100 space rt space 90 and bracket close. That means 4 times I want to repeat fd space 100 rt space 90. So earlier I used to write so many commands, but now I have just written one command. I have got my scare. Same way, if I want to make a circle with the repeat command, first I am doing CS, clear screen. If I want to create a circle using the repeat command, I can write it like this: repeat space 360 and then bracket. Then you can write FD, that is forward, space 1 space RT space 1 and bracket close, enter. This way you can create a circle using the repeat command. This was very simple shapes. And with the repeat command, if I want to create a simple pattern, what I can do? Again I can use the repeat command. It will be something like this: repeat space means how many times I want to repeat. That is my choice. I am taking 7. So 7 times I want to repeat. And what I want to repeat? I want to repeat the steps of circle. So that is repeat space 360. As I have told you before, the steps of the circle, it is repeat space 360 bracket FD space 1 space RT space 1 and bracket close. Now if I will give this command, it will create circles. But to give the direction or to create a simple pattern, I have to write the command RT space 30 and bracket close. Two things you have to make sure: that you should give the space between the commands, and if two brackets are open, you have to close two brackets only and then press enter. You can see I am able to create a simple pattern. Now if I will increase the number of the circle, let us suppose from 7 I am making it 9, and then I will press enter key. So 2 more circles are added. So this is my simple pattern. I hope repeat command is clear to you. Now you also can try this. Thank you so much for watching this.